Hello everyone, my name is Parth Ankolikar and I am a student of class 10 from Millennium National School, Pune. We all know that each one of us have different mental abilities. Some of us can understand things in one go while others need more time. Some of us can accomplish multiple tasks in a short span of time while others need to concentrate on just one topic to complete it efficiently. This is very commonly witnessed among students. In my class, there are some kids who can learn rapidly even under the pressure of deadlines, while others are not able to cope up with the studies. For them, education becomes a one-way street. Many students are unable to raise questions or answer questions because of peer pressure, shyness, or other reasons. Due to this, concepts do not get clear in their minds and they end up facing tough times while going through the whole syllabus. Furthermore, since all the classes are now happening online, considering the current pandemic situation, students have become more reluctant towards participating in discussions, which has become a major concern for educators. To solve this problem, I have come up with a project powered by AI that can predict the EQ, that is the emotional quotient of a student, to indicate the interest levels during their lectures. The project has been deployed in the form of a web browser extension. All the students have to install this extension on their browsers, through which they can attend the webinar. As soon as the session starts, the system's webcam starts collecting the live facial feed of the student. An AI-based emotion detection model then detects the facial expressions of the students throughout the sessions. Once the session is concluded, the video feed is processed by the model to predict the emotional quotient and the attention span of the child for the whole session. This data is then made available to the respective teacher in a form of an analysis sheet. With the help of this sheet, the teachers get a clear idea of the interest levels of a student and their attention spans during the lectures. Keeping the ethical concerns in consideration, care has been taken that no personal data of a child is shared at any level with anyone. Only an overall analysis of each student is sent to the teacher. With the help of this project, teachers can not only track the attention span and the emotional quotient of each student, but they can also get a candid feedback on the sessions delivered by them.